Welcome to Home of Math. This video we are trying to solve this equation by completing the square. Let's start. Here is 2x square minus 5x minus 3 equals to 0. So first this minus 3, it's mean constant, we will move to right side. So 2x square minus 5x equals to 3. Move 3 to right side. Okay, then we will divide whole equation by 2. So 2 divide 2, here is x square minus 5 by 2 x equals to 3 by 2. So here 2 and 2 out, here is x square minus 5 divide 2 x equals to 3 by 2. So here we can write divide both sides by 2. Okay, now is a main point. We will add something in here. Once we add, it will become a minus b whole square. It means a square minus 2ab plus b square. So what can we do? Look, here is x square, it means a square, minus 2, here is 2, then a means x, right? So in b, here we add something, then we can get this one. So we can add here 5 divide 4, and this is our b. It means plus 5 divide 4 whole square. So this is a additional thing. So we can add 3, here is 3 by 2 plus 5 by 4 whole square in both sides. So we can write here add 5 divide 4 whole square both sides, right? Okay, now look, it's looking a minus b whole square. So we can write x minus 5 by 4 whole square, and here is 3 divide 2 plus 5 square means 25 divide 4 square means 16. Okay, so left side will be unchanged, 5 by 4 square, and here we can make LCM. So 16 divide 2, it's 8 times 3 is a 24 plus 25. Okay, then x minus 5 divide 4 whole square equals to, here is 49 divide 16. Now we can make square root both sides. So here x minus 5 divide 4 equals to plus minus 49 16. Okay, so we can write here square root both sides, right? So here we can get x minus 5 by 4 equals to plus minus root 49, it means 7 divide root 16 means 4. So here is either x minus 5 divide 4 equals to plus 7 by 4. It means x equals to 7 by 4 plus 5 divide 4. Now 7 by 4 plus 5 by 4, we can make LCM. So here is 4 So 7 plus 5, it will be 7 plus 5 means 12, divide 4, so answer is 3. Or look, or x minus 5 divide 4 equals to minus 7 divide 4. So here is x equals to minus 5 by 4 will become plus 5 by 4, and here is minus 7 divide 4. So look, here is 4 and 5 minus 7. So 5 minus 7, it means minus 2 divide 4. So answer is minus 1 by 2. So here is two answer. Answer x equals to either minus 1 by 2 or 3. And this video we are trying to solve this math by completing square method. You can solve this method another two way. One is factorize or quadratic general method. Okay, and both two method answer will be same. What is factorizing? It's a middle term factor. And quadratic method is a x square plus bx plus c. It means x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divide 2a. I will try to make solution this math another two method in another video. So till, take care, keep practice at home, and don't forget subscribe my channel Home of Math.